Welcome to Countats. In this lesson, I'm going to show you how to get your BEE certificate. You're going to do this using Bizportal or the CIPC website. So in this case, we're going to look at the Bizportal website and see how we can do that. It's quite an easy process. Once you complete the process, the BEE certificate will be immediately emailed to you and you can use it for whatever purpose you need it. Okay, so let's log into our Bizportal and see how we go about doing this. So you just put in your details and then you click on login. And once it's logged you in, all you need to click on is services on the menu options up here, and then once you click on that, you will be given some menu options, and then you will just select the one that you need. And you can see here it is already. I just need to click on BEE certificates, so I'm going to click on BEE certificate. The process is quite simple, as you can see. So you log in, you press services, and then you press BEE certificate. Now here you can see we've been given a few options. All right, we're given an option for a new application, meaning if I want to get a new BEE certificate, I can do so. And if I want to retrieve a BEE certificate that I've already gotten before, then I can press this button here and I will be emailed. Or if I want to view BEE details, then I can do that as well. So you can see these are the options, but I want to get a new BEE certificate, so I'm going to click on new application. So obviously you just want to read the information that you're given up here and make sure that you comply with that. As you can see here, the first one already tells us that it's free to get the BEE certificate. So I'm going to click on new application. Remember, you're doing this on your own personal Bizportal profile, and then it will list all the companies that you are a director of. Okay, so if you're a director of more than one company, it's going to list all of them. Otherwise, if you're a director of just one company, it's going to list that specific company. So you just need to select, if you're a director of more than one company, you need to select which company you'd like to get a BEE certificate for. So I'm going to click on the one that I need to get a BEE certificate for. So you can see here we've got a column that's written apply, and I just need to click that button with the hand. But one thing you need to make sure of is that the company is compliant, that you've been filing your annual returns, because it will not allow you to retrieve your BEE certificate if any of your annual returns are already outstanding. So you just want to make sure that's the case, because if you click on apply here and it doesn't take you through, you will note the message at the bottom which will tell you that you're not annual return compliant. But if you're compliant, we can go ahead and do that. And then once I do that, you can see that at the bottom here it has expanded and given me more information. So it's asking me what the revenue for the enterprise is, and I will need to put in the revenue for the company during the latest financial year. So you just need to make sure that the details that you're putting is very accurate. And you can see it's asking, well, how much was the last financial year end revenue for the selected enterprise. Of course, if it has not started trading as yet and there's not been any activity within the business, then you will put 0 there, and then you press continue. And of course, it gives you more details here, and it's saying supplying incorrect information is a criminal offense and may lead to prosecution. And then there are details that you just need to complete here. How many shareholders does the enterprise have? So I'm just going to put 1 there because it's just one shareholder. How many of those shareholders are black? I'm going to put 1. Out of the black shareholders, how many are female? I'm going to put 0, and then I'll click on continue. So you're just going to follow the prompts here with the questions that you need to answer, and that will make it simple. Just make sure that you're putting the correct details. So I'm just going to fill in all the details here and click continue as I do that. And as you can see here, the question says how many percent does each black shareholder have? And of course, if it's just one shareholder and the shareholder is black, then you're going to put 100. Otherwise, you would know what the shareholding is and you put the appropriate percentage. So I'm just going to do that and click on calculate, and it's going to calculate the BEE level and percentage. And it's giving me a note here to say, please note that once you submit this application by clicking continue button below, these figures above cannot be changed. If there are any errors, please click the back button to correct them before submitting your application. So it's imperative that you're putting the correct details, because this should be your Bizportal and you are the director of the entity and you're doing it yourself. So I'm going to click on continue, and then I will need to fill in these details. So you'll just need to go through each one of them and fill in the details. So I'm just going to do that quickly. Okay, I've just completed the information there, and it's asking me, do you confirm that the information on black shareholding percentage supplied by yourself is true and correct? And I'm going to click on this button here. You can see no is automatically selected, so I just need to click on it, and I would have selected yes, and then I click on apply. And you can see here saying BE certificates confirmation, BE certificate sent. You can see it's telling me that the BE certificate you requested has been queued to be sent to your email address. And so I just need to check my email address, and the BE certificate should be in my email. Of course, the email that I used to register my Bizportal profile or the CIPC profile. I hope that has made sense. I hope it was easy enough. You're able to follow along. If you've gained value from this lesson, consider subscribing to our channel and like this video. Till next time, cheers.